Hello everyone and welcome back with another topic. Today the topic is should and this is lecture number 13. Should is a modal auxiliary verb. We use should to talk about necessity or to give someone an advice. When we talk about necessity, should, have to, has to and must have the same meaning. Whereas when we want to give an advice to someone, should, had better, ought to, be supposed to have the same meaning. Be means is, am, are, was, were. In the present or in the future is, am, are, and in the past was, were. Advice. If you want to give someone an advice, you will give an advice either for the past or for the present or future. Now, for the past, after should, had better and ought to, we will use have plus third form of the verb, which means the past participle form of the verb. Whereas with supposed to, we will use the past form of be, was or were, plus first form of the verb. Here, a positive sentence will have a negative meaning in the past and a negative sentence will have a positive meaning in the past because we cannot change the situation in the past. For the present or future, we will use first form of the verb after should, had better, ought to, and we will use here is, am, are, be supposed to. Let's have examples. Here we have a situation. Ali failed the test. This is a situation. Now we will give Ali an advice. Now here, remember this, Ali is failed, is a past. Now nothing can be done, he's failed. Advice number one, he should not have watched TV. Should not, it's negative. It means he watched TV in the past. Negative sentence, positive meaning. Another advice, he had better have studied hard. Had better, positive. It means he did not study hard in the past. Positive sentence, negative meaning. Another advice, he ought not to have wasted time. Ought not to, it's negative. It means he wasted his time in the past. The last advice, he was supposed to be serious about his future. Was supposed to, positive. It means he was not serious about his future. Positive sentence, negative meaning. Let's have examples about present or future. We have a situation. Ali has an exam next week, means in the future. Now, advice number one, he should not watch TV. If he does this, he can change his future, he can change the result. Advice number two, he had better study hard. First form of the verb. If he studies hard, he can change his future, he can change the result. Advice number three, he ought not to play games. If he doesn't play games, he will be passed. The last advice, he is supposed to be serious. The exam is next week. He has 7 or 8 days. If he is serious, he can change his future. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.